Welcome to Quote2Pay. A cloud and AI-based accounting system is an advanced ERP solution designed to streamline the financial workflows of businesses. Leveraging cloud technology and AI, this system automates complex accounting tasks, from quote generation to final payment, while ensuring real-time accuracy and compliance. Getting started is easy. Simply visit Quote2Pay.com. And click on Try Demo. Fill out the sign-up form with your details, full name, package, email ID, and create a strong password. Once you're done, hit Create to create your account. Next, an OTP sent to your mail ID. Check your email inbox for OTP from Quote2Pay. Enter the OTP and activate your account. Now that your account is verified, head back to Quote2Pay's login page. Enter your email and password, then click Login. Visit Quote2Pay.com and experience convenience, efficiency, and reliability of your sales process.